The U.S. Supreme... Okay.
Sorry to barge in, but it is our 3 years today. Me, Quentin, and Alexa.
Yeah, Q. Even though you're behind the camera.
I'm not going to be on camera. Cameraman's not showing his face, but hey, it's our 3 years today.
Happy 3 years. Okay.
Start at the U.S. Supreme Court.
Yeah.
Thanks, John. Yeah.
Thank you. Okay. The U.S. Supreme Court has agreed to an unusually fast-tracked hearing on President Donald Trump's sweeping tariff, scheduling oral arguments for November of 2025, a notably rapid timeline by the court's standards. This case comes after 2 lower courts found most of Trump's tariffs illegal but allowed them to remain in effect pending appeal. The tariffs in question were announced in February and April and levied on imports from Canada, China, and Mexico under the 1977 International Emergency Economic Powers Act, known as IEEPA, which allows the president to restrict imports during declared emergencies. The challenge was brought by small businesses and states who argued these emergency powers were overused, endangering their businesses and violating the Constitution's assignment of tariff authority to Congress. Attorney Jeffrey Schwab of the Liberty Justice Center emphasized, Congress, not the president alone, has the power to impose tariffs. The Trump administration, represented by Solicitor General D. John Sauer, responded that overturning the tariffs could prompt the brink of economic catastrophe, potentially requiring the U.S. Treasury to refund up to $159 billion in collected import duties as of late August and undermining U.S. leverage in trade negotiations and national security priorities, including efforts to restrict fentanyl and to pressure Russia regarding its war on Ukraine. The case will test how expansively the Supreme Court interprets presidential authority under the IEEPA, especially given that 3 current justices were nominated by Trump. Some appeal court judges ruled that the IEEPA authorizes the president to regulate imports during emergencies without explicit congressional consent, yet others disagreed, widening the importance of the ruling. While Trump's tariffs were enacted using claimed emergency powers, the court's decision is expected to set a significant precedent affecting executive power, future trade policy, and supply chain costs. The tariffs, worth $159 billion in revenue for the U.S. by late August, will remain active until the court issues its decision. The outcome is being closely monitored by policymakers, businesses, and international partners for its profound implications on U.S. economic and legal frameworks.